Good morning, students. This is Bridge Course 2 for economics students. In this video, we're going to understand the importance of economics, uh, why we study economics, and the job opportunities available in economics field. Economics is the study of how societies use scarce resources to produce valuable commodities and distribute them among different people. Economics is an important subject because of the fact of scarcity and the desire for efficiency. The ultimate goal of economic science is to improve the living conditions of people in their everyday lives. Why we study economics? There are three reasons to study economics. First, variety of programs. Economics are part of most aspects of everyday life. This is why universities offer a large variety of models reflecting this. From economic public policy to environmental economics, everything is a part of your economics degree. Second, a focus on real life. Economics is focused on learning from case studies. This makes it easy to understand how theory can tell you something about real life. Moreover, many universities make internship part of their degree programs. Third, excellent graduate prospects. Most students easily find a job after graduation as economists are needed in most business. How to study economics? Economics students will gain a deeper understanding of the world and its inner mechanizations, covering everything from how goods and services are priced to the reason why standard of living vary to so widely in different countries. The study of economics equips students with valuable knowledge to make everyday life decisions and gives students the ability to solve problems such as financial investment opportunities. Many universities offer students the chance to apply their learning with their in industry while they study. What kind of jobs can you get by studying economics? Graduates with a degree in economics go on to purchase careers in banking, insurance, service, and manufacturing firms, real estate, consulting, government agencies, and non-profit organizations. What is U multirank? U multirank is a European ranking system whose basic aim is to provide transparency about the diversity of higher education institutions. It combines institutional ranking, comparing whole institutions and field-based rankings based on individual disciplines. U multirank compares institutions with similar institutional profiles and allows users to develop personalized rankings by selecting performance measures indicators in terms of their own preferences. Ranking evaluate institutions whether they are national, regional, or global in scope, with the aim of providing information regarding their ability or achievement. How can U Multirank help you to find the best economic study program for you? If you are considering purchasing a degree in economics, then let them help you find the best university for you. U Multiranks for students track offers personalized university comparison so you can find the university that best matches you. U Multirank subject ranking provide the feedback of more than 1 lakh current students studying at the respective universities, offering a unique student perspective to the rankings via our teaching and learning dimension. Creating your own personalized rankings today. and compare universities according to what matters most to you. To start, make sure to select economics as a subject of interest and will help guide you through rest. The top universities for economics in the world: University of Oxford, University of Chicago, London School of Economics and Political Science are some of the top universities in the world. Top universities and colleges in India: Delhi School of Economics, New Delhi; Fergusson College, Pune; Presidency University, Kolkata; Loyola College, Chennai are some of the leading universities and colleges in India. The job opportunities for economics students. There are vast of career opportunities for economics students. They can get jobs in various fields such as banking and finance, government and public sector, education and communications, and business. Under banking and finance, the opportunities are commodities broker, bank management trainee, financial analyst, economic forecaster, investment banker, loan counselor, securities analyst. Under government and public sector, claims examiner, foreign trade analyst, tax auditor, public administrator, legislative assistant, regional urban planner, financial planner. Under education and communications, professor, technical writer, journalist, columnist, teacher, higher education administration, education television advisor, information analyst. Under business, market research analyst, retail buyer, staff training and development specialist, insurance underwriting training, management consultant, strategic planner, business administrator. An array of employment opportunities is available in economics field. Meritorious candidate can get excellent job opportunities after successfully completing their BA or MA in economics. I hope that you all understand about the subject economics, what are the subject matters it deals with, the importance of economics, and job opportunities for economics. Thank you, students.